Are your money habits holding you back? Let's break free and unlock financial freedom. Over the past decade, I've immersed myself in finance through studies, qualifications, and a career in investment banking. The most life-changing skill I've learned is mastering personal finances. In this video, I'll share 9 bad money habits holding you back and tips to break free. Let's dive in. The first habit? Paying yourself last. As Robert Kiyosaki explains in Rich Dad, Poor Dad, most people prioritize bills and expenses over savings. Flip the script. Pay yourself 10% first. Treat it like a bill. You'll be amazed at how your spending adapts while your savings grow. Habit 2. Getting comfortable with debt. Bad debt can feel normal, but it's a trap. Credit cards with 22% interest rates drain your finances. My rule? If you can't pay cash, don't buy it. Keep debt for essentials only and stay in control. Habit 3. Not having a stockpile. A financial buffer is essential. Save 3 to 6 months of expenses to cushion unexpected challenges. Start by paying yourself first, then build the safety net. It's peace of mind money can buy. Habit 4. Ignoring income and expenses. Lifestyle inflation traps many. Spend more as you earn more. Track your income and expenses religiously. A budget tracker reveals where your money goes and helps you set clear goals. Habit 5. Expensive hobbies. Retail therapy is tempting, but it's marketing's trap. Cut back on costly hobbies. Invest that money. It's the smarter way to indulge in life. Habit 6. Focusing only on saving. Saving is vital, but it has limits. To build wealth, combine saving with increasing income streams. The upside of earning more is infinite, so aim for a mix of both strategies. Habit 7. Paying too much tax. Taxes are your biggest expense. Legally optimize your tax strategies. Use tools like Roth IRAs or business structures. Keep more of your earnings to align with your financial goals. Habit 8. Waiting too long to invest. Don't wait to invest. Even small amounts compound over time. Diversify your portfolio and let your money work for you. Start now, the earlier the better. These 9 bad money habits are holding you back, but now you know how to break them. Take action and let your money empower you. Watch my linked video for more tips on building wealth. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe for more videos.